Did your car throw the P0113 code and now you're more confused than an engine without spark plugs? Chill, I've got you. I'll break it all down without the boring jargon. Let's get straight to it, with style. What the heck is the P0113 code? The P0113 code pops up when your car's computer detects that the intake air temperature sensor, yeah, that little guy attached to the air intake system, is sending a signal that says the incoming air is way too cold. Basically, according to the sensor, the air entering your engine is colder than the North Pole. And that's usually not true unless you're driving through the Arctic. But wait, why is that a problem? Because the car's computer uses that temperature info to adjust the air-fuel mixture. If the sensor says the air is super cold, the engine compensates by injecting more fuel. And that's when the trouble starts. Errors, engine hiccups, wasted gas, and of course that annoying check engine light that ruins your day. What does the air temperature sensor even do? This sensor, basically the engine's air gossip, tells the computer how hot or cold the air entering the engine is. And that matters, because colder air is denser, which means the engine needs more fuel to burn it properly. If the sensor gets it wrong and thinks it's freezing when it's actually warm, your car ends up dumping extra fuel like it's warming up in a snowstorm, even if it's a sunny day. Why does the P0113 code get triggered? Alright, here's where the real drama begins. This code can show up for several reasons, from a lazy sensor to electrical gremlins. I'll walk you through all the suspects, no boring tech talk. 1. Dirty or faulty temperature sensor. This is suspect number 1. Over time, the sensor can get dirty or worn out from all the gunk in the air intake. When that happens, it starts sending bad signals. What to do? Start with a gentle cleaning using the right sensor-safe cleaner. If it's still acting up after cleaning, just replace it. It's a cheap part and easy to swap. 2. Loose or corroded connectors. Sometimes the problem isn't the sensor, it's the wiring. A loose, rusty, or moist connector can mess with the readings. The computer thinks the sensor's dead when it's actually just a bad connection. What to do? Check the wiring and connectors. If you see anything loose, rusty, or damaged, clean it up or replace it. Sometimes just snapping the connector in tighter solves the whole thing. 3. Wiring problems. A frayed, broken, or chewed up wire, yes, rats love engine bays, can cause the sensor to send wild signals. That triggers a false reading, like the air is freezing when it's really not. What to do? Do a visual inspection of the wires going to the sensor. If something looks sketchy, repair or replace it. Bad splices or DIY fixes can also throw off the readings. 4. Out-of-range readings due to bad voltage. The sensor works within a specific voltage range. If the signal goes above that range, the computer freaks out and throws the P0113. That can happen due to an internal sensor fault or because something else in the electrical system is acting up, like a fuse, relay, or bad ground. What to do? Use a multimeter to check voltage, if you know your way around basic diagnostics. If the voltage is way too high, check other parts of the electrical system for issues. 5. Computer glitches or reprogramming issues. In rare cases, the car's brain might be misconfigured or experience a glitch, throwing the code even if nothing's actually wrong. What to do? That's a job for a professional scanner. A mechanic with the right tools can check if your car's software needs an update or if there's a stored error messing with the sensor reading. What are the symptoms when P0113 shows up? The code doesn't always come alone. Sometimes your car gives you obvious hints that something's off. Hard starts, especially when cold. Rough idle that makes the engine shake. Slow or jerky acceleration. Increased fuel consumption. Strong smell of unburned gas. That check engine light stays on like it pays rent. How do I fix it? Step by step. Here's your game plan. Plain and simple. Scan the car with a code reader to confirm it's really the P0113. Locate the intake air temperature sensor, usually near the air filter or intake manifold. Clean the sensor using electrical contact cleaner or a sensor-safe spray. Inspect the connectors and wiring. Make sure everything's tight, clean, and corrosion-free. If it still acts up, replace the sensor with a new one. Check the electrical system if the new sensor doesn't solve it. Look for voltage issues or shorts. Call in a mechanic if it seems like the car's computer needs attention. And there you go, P0113 decoded without the headache. It's not the end of the world, just a cranky little sensor trying to get your attention. Handle it right, and you'll be back on the road without that glowing check engine light staring at you. Catch you next time.